Good morning, everybody. Today we are discussing about generator functions, a new concept actually. So, so what are generator functions and what are generators actually? So, if you take example of a regular functions, what is happening with the regular functions is regular functions return only one single value, or else they'll not return any value also. They will return nothing. So generators, what they do is they can return, or else we will call it as other term yield actually. Generators can return or else yield multiple values, not like general functions which return only one value or single value or else not return anything. So these generators can return multiple values one after another on demand actually. So they work great with iterables, allowing to create data streams with easy. What are generator functions? To create a generator, we need special syntax construct function called generator functions. So we'll write it as function generator sequence, and inside that we can write return 1, return 2, return 3, or else we can write as yield 1, yield 2, return 3. And generator functions is behaved differently from regular ones. When such a function is called, it does not run its code. Instead, it runs a special object called generator object to manage execution. So if you see this example function generator sequence, yield 1, yield 2, yield 3, return 3, the generator function creates a generator object. So here let generator equal to generator sequence if you see, and if you are giving alert generator, what is the output we'll get is you'll get the object as generator. So here, in this case, what happens is the function code execution will not start i- immediately. So what is happening in this particular function is the main method of the generator is every time next actually, next function. So when called, it runs the execution and the nearest yield value statement value can be omitted, then it's undefined. Then the function execution pauses and the yielded value is returned to the outer code. The result of next is always an object with two parameters. One is the yielded value, one value yielded value, and done is the true if the function code has finished, otherwise it returns as false. So generators are created by mainly generator functions like function f1, f2, f3. So inside generators only there exists a yield operator. The outer code and the generator may exchange result via next by yield calls. So these generators are great for making iterable objects.